Hello everyone, welcome to the CEYOSON Education channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to participate in the National Space Day Quiz 2026.
Are you fascinated by space? Do you know about India's incredible journey in space exploration? Here's an exciting opportunity for all space enthusiasts. MyGov presents the National Space Day Quiz 2026. Test your knowledge about India's remarkable achievements, space missions, important milestones, and innovations in space science and technology. And there's more. You can also win exciting cash prizes. The first prize is 1 lakh rupees. The second prize is 75,000 rupees. And the third prize is 50,000 rupees. The quiz is open to all Indian citizens and will be available from 23rd August 2026 to 23rd September 2026. A total of 10 questions will be there. So, how can you participate? First, visit the official MyGov quiz portal. Once you enter the website, you will see the quiz dashboard. Before starting, read all the terms and conditions carefully. To participate, click on Login with MyGov Auth to Play quiz. A login window will appear. Enter your MyGov login credentials. If you don't have a MyGov account, create an account and complete your profile. You can find the link in the description to learn how to create your MyGov profile. Once you are logged in, click on the Start Quiz button. You will see 10 questions. Read each question carefully and select your answers. After answering all 10 questions, click on the Submit button to complete the quiz. Remember, the last date to participate is 23rd September 2026. So, what are you waiting for? Test your space knowledge, learn about India's achievement in space, and be a part of the National Science Day Quiz 2026. Visit the MyGov quiz portal and participate today. Explore, learn, participate, celebrate. Your journey to the stars begins with a question. Thank you.